all those times when we joke and we say, is YouTube feeding me? YouTube is not feeding me. YouTube is actually feeding me, literally. And I'll show you, this is the pizza that YouTube gave me. I'll show you the email they sent me. And this is the one I chose from YouTube. Thank you, YouTube. I'll show you the email and everything they sent to me and the voucher. This is from YouTube. Thank you so much. YouTube High Five has given me Costa Coffee. They gave me around £4, just over £4 to spend on anything I would like. In Costa Coffee, and I chose to get a hot chocolate. I've already been drinking some of it. That's the hot chocolate. And they also gave me a vegan friendly choice for Greg's sausage roll, but I don't eat pork, so I got the vegan roll instead. Now let me quickly show you. This is what it looks like. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you for another YouTube high five. I'm very grateful.